Actually, anyone who na keso ngofu na mutla kumi join la len Nkanelo Gingirikani. My name is MANDLA Gingirikani wakamashaba. Thank you very much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. You know, we just wanted to be part of the team, you know. It's ladies' night. We saw what happened. You know, who stole the show? We don't know. Okay, actually, I feel like I do. I actually have an idea who stole the show, but you know what? Let's start from the top. Geraldine. Ha! This one is boss, you know. She hit that Aretha Franklin song nicely, you know. You can see that she has experience of the stage. Mic technique could have actually let her down a bit. I felt like she gave it all her best. You know, we couldn't hear some of her notes, and I felt like maybe her voice was a little low. Maybe I don't know if it was the mic that was low, but I felt like her voice could have come out a little louder. You know, I remember even Randa said it that she could have sung a little louder. You know, because that song actually allowed her to do that. But I feel like she did everything that was supposed to be done. You know, I mean, her stage presence, you know, speaks volume. You know. Geraldine is one contestant to actually look out for. You know, you never know. You know, so I just hope she's not going to be punished for what happened. And then Melanin, I love Melanin. You know, I know I didn't speak about her in my last video, but she always reminds me of Michelle Williams from The Destiny's Child. You know, I enjoyed her performance. She did her best. A very sweet voice. You know, maybe let's take a look as to what she did. No man, this girl is going far. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to waste your time, guys, because you guys completely say I talk to my. Okay, I'm gonna cut it short. Well, Bongi was next, and to sing that Whitney Houston song was a clever choice because it suited her voice. You know, she's got range for days. You know, she's got stage presence, and I like the fact that Anga Papangi, she always stands still and sing, and then just make little movements, you know, just to spice up the performance. I just felt like she killed the performance. Yeah, that is Bongi for you. That is Bongi for you. That is Bongi for you. Who can go after a gigantic song like that if it's not Bongi, you know? Vocal range, like I said, you know. And she doesn't get carried away, you know. I actually loved her. She was good. And then there was D. Yo, guys, D. This was a big song. Actually, I felt like this song was actually the cleverest song choice. The reason I said that is, like I said in a previous video, is because of the fact that this song is very familiar with many voters. So if you do have a good performance on it, it's a given that people are going to vote for you, you know. I felt this was the best song for her. I actually felt like this was the best song of the night in terms of song choice, you know. It was the best song choice of the night based on those things that people are familiar with the song, and then it's easier for people to actually identify with the song. Powerful vocals, emotionally connected to the song and the band. You know, she was beautiful and a very beautiful controlled vocals as well. So D did well. I mean, D did well, guys. Let's be honest. Let's give it to her. She did well. She did all she could, you know. I like the fact that this competition is about how you sang and how the audience respond to your performance, you know, through votes, of course. We will see how it's gonna pan out. This performance was good, you know. Maybe because of the fact that the voters are familiar with the song, that can work in a favor, you know. I like her song choice. It was very good. And then there was Ndoni. You know, Ndoni, I was a little disappointed with Ndoni. I was not very much impressed with her performance. I mean, she could have went and did Tracy Chapman's version, but then she went to do another version that most of us are not familiar with. Like I say, you know, you have to do something that we are actually familiar with. Do something that voters are familiar with. Do something that's comfortable for your voice, you know. Like the song choice for me, I was happy for her because I felt like she was going to kill this song had she done Tracy Chapman's version. Like just like what Unati said, I actually agree with her. She could have done well, but I really like the song choice, you know. I really like her song. She looked very beautiful. I just hope that she won't be punished because of that kind of a song, because of that version she did, you know. I wasn't really impressed, you know. And then there was B. B, how come you don't call me, you know, Alicia Keys. Guys, yo, that dress, yo, guys, bold voice, you know, she's got personality, everything, you know, she can sing and she killed it. I feel like she killed it. You can see that she's got some acting colors under her belt. I really like B, you know, I really like B's performance as well. It was very good. I liked it. I just hope she's going to get fans that are going to vote for her performance, you know. And Zama, yo, guys, Zama, that crazy song by Seal.
So let's get a little crazy.
You know, this girl, she looks so innocent. She's so cute. It's like a nong. Vocally, you know, hundreds. She controls her vocals very well. I like her runs. She does everything with perfection and with pace. I like that, you know. She reminds me of Paxton. You remember Paxton from the previous rounds or previous seasons? I think she won season 13, 12, I'm not sure. But Paxton, guys, yeah, this girl reminds me of Paxton. She's so innocent. She's still young. She's still, you know, she's still learning. And I'm just not sure if this girl realizes how powerful she is. I'm just not sure, because this girl, she's got pipes. She's got pipes for days, you know. And I'm just not sure if she actually knows how great she is. Yo, I just don't know. I don't know. Yo, guys, the next question. Guys, there was Ntokozo. You know, full of emotions, very authentic, you know. That Etta James cover. This girl, yo, I actually agree with Randall. She was in sync with the band, you know. It was a whole full package. It was the whole full performance of the night. Full performance. I felt like everything from the band, backing vocalists, her conduct on stage, the way she delivered the song, everything was... Ntokozo just took the night to another level. Like Ntokozo, guys, I actually feel like Ntokozo murdered the night. She monopolized the night. She just did this to the night. Like she held the night by the balls. Full of emotions, you know. Very authentic girl. I feel like Ntokozo is a girl to watch. Unati was in tears. She also got a standing ovation from Somizi. So guys, and Urandel was also looking for his bars. Like you couldn't find the Wushem. Like guys, like dude, like yo, I actually said it on this video. If you guys go back to it, I actually did mention that Ntokozo is a girl to watch. Like this girl has got something. I'm also not sure if she knows, if she realizes how powerful she is, because she's got nice vocals, great vocals. She's got a big voice, that girl. Yo. And she was beautiful too, you know. I really loved her. I felt like she did everything that was supposed to be done. It's like she found the pot. She found the pot. This girl, Yeah, she was out of this world. I'm actually shocked that she actually managed to give that kind of a performance. I mean, that song, she was full of everything, you know, everything was for me. I don't even know what to say. I feel like the night belonged to Ntokozo. I actually feel like the night belonged to Ntokozo, with no doubt. Without fear or favor, the night belonged to Ntokozo. You guys can agree with me down below. Please comment down below. What do you think of the night? What do you think of the show? What happened, you know? Yo, but this was good. And also the virtual audience. Guys, can we actually give some applauses to the backing vocalist and the band? Yo, yeah, I'm scared. The backing vocalist, guys. And actually also like it for the judges. I feel like the judges were very fair. They were not biased, you know. Sometimes you have judging panel that is biased, but I feel like the judges actually gave everything according to how we also heard it from home. So I really would like to give an applause to them, to the judges, Randall Onati and Somi Z. And who can forget Proverb with his slick lines? Yo, that guy. From D to B now. See you after the break. That was nice. I like it for the guy. I actually enjoy Proverb all the time. Whenever during the first auditions, I actually enjoy him when he goes like, Brasipo, so what happened? And he's like, they say that I forgot the lyrics. It's like, better like next time. I like it when Proverb does that. When Pro does that, I like it. So it was a great show. I actually enjoyed it. I hope you guys also did. And I hope you're voting for your favorites, because I am also voting for my favorite, Minga Mail. Please know that we're actually selling these. You can buy them from me. You can just text me on 0616709692, or you can just send an email and then we can see how we can do it. It's 250 rand. No, just support the channel. You know, if you like what I'm doing here, you can just come here and support the channel, and let's see how it goes next week, guys. See you next time when we do another video. From me, Legere XS Dors Kitwele kile nyora ndina Dora Kome kokot Niklaniwe. Salut, mga titimeli.